Chris, you've described for us one of the activities you facilitate with young people, and a number of adults volunteer to do it, is a worship workshop that meets maybe every other week on Fridays. And I can imagine a couple of different ways of owning that space, or the kind of aspirations that can motivate that space. One is, you don't know how to worship, but we're going to workshop how to worship so that you can then present worship with the big church. Yeah. Or there's a come and let's play at this stuff, which is itself worship. And I give us a little more flavor for how you understand the moment.
Yeah, so when we first started talking about it, it was clear that on the one hand we did want more participation by young people in what happened on Sundays, and that for that to happen there needed to be some kind of way that there was some way of learning and teaching, and so we didn't just kind of drop people in it, and there was a getting alongside. But also that we didn't just want to say, okay, everyone, we know what you really want to do is you really want to be at the front. Because that plays the worst in all of us, really. And so what we wanted to say was, look, we know, we discern that you really love this. So let's take that. Let's take that gift there, and let's give you a space that is your space, not just to come and consume it and receive it, but to participate in it. And you might never have thought that you could be a person who might sing through the microphone. In fact, we probably keep most of the microphones switched off during those. But that kind of come and participate in this. And it's not this isn't a kind of it's not just if you're good enough then you can do this. So it's not like an audition for Sundays. This is something in itself, which surely that worship is entirely simply for its own sake, because we praise God not for anything we get out of it, but simply for who God is.